base metals gained ground in Friday morning LME trading, following an uptick in sentiment during Asian sessions, triggered by news that Japan will aggressively expand its stimulus measures. In an unexpected move, the Bank of Japan's policy board voted in favour to increase monetary base at an annual pace of 80 trillion yen per year, above its previous target of 60 to 70 trillion yen. The news sent Tokyo stocks surging and the yen sharply lower against the dollar. This follows on from yesterday, where the metals had softened following hawkish comments from the US Fed regarding its economy. As expected, it will conclude its asset purchase program this month, with debate now turning to when it will raise interest rates, which have been near zero since December 2008. In other news, strikes have been averted at the Grasberg mine in Indonesia after Freeport reached a provisional deal with the unions. Strike action was initially planned in protest after a tunnel collapse killed 4 miners and critically injured 2 others back in September. Data today was slightly heavier, German retail sales and French consumer spending both under shock, while the EU CPI flash estimate was as expected at 0.4%. In the States, the US has just announced personal spending and personal income figures, which both came in under forecast, while the employment cost index improved. Meanwhile, the weekend will see the Chinese manufacturing PMI announced on Saturday, which will be key for sentiment into a fresh week and fresh month. In the metals, copper last around 6,770 per tonne, is up from Thursday's close. Inventory movements were routine, though in spreads, the benchmark cash to threes was still tight, around about $67 back. Aluminium at 2,045 is also doing well, though nickel hit its highest since October 15th at 16,175 earlier today. It's now holding just above 16,000 per tonne. Lead and zinc both performing well, as is tin, now firmly above $20,000 per tonne. This is Ian Walker reporting for FastMarkets, down here at the London Metal Exchange.